All right, breaking right now. Break number 77. It is Encased 1 box. And I'll just quickly go through the teams. A little bit of a gamble for everybody. We got 1 Encased card, I think 4 other cards, couple hits. Adam with the Ravens, Ashley with the Packers and Jags, Brennan with the Bears, Brian with the Broncos, Caden with the Steelers, David C. with the Cowboys, Dylan, Rams and Saints, Gilbert, Bucks, Isaac, Dolphins and Giants, Jacob, Texans, Jacob T., Patriots, Jared G., Vikes, Jody S. has got the Cardinals, Falcons, Chargers, Raiders, Seahawks, Titans, John W., Eagles, Lance, Browns and Lions, Michael R., Bills and Chiefs, Mike N., Colts, Robert G., 49ers, Solomon's got the Jets and Redskins, and Steve D. has the Panthers and Bengals. Let's see if we can get somebody a nice hit. I've definitely seen some nice stuff coming out of here. We got our 1 pack and our Encased card. All right, good luck, everybody. Oh, looks like we got a redemption. All right, so we're starting with a Goff, base Goff for the Rams. And for the Raiders at a 49. Howie Long. For the Buccaneers. Nice patch at a 5. 3 of 5 for the Bucks. O.J. Howard. We got a full case of this coming up next, or soon. And what's our redemption going to be? Reserve Sigs Emerald. I believe that's going to be out of 5 for the Cowboys. Cole Beasley. Tough focus right now. Cole Beasley. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that should be the Cowboys. Very nice, Chrome. All right, who do we got here? Oh, nice. I have not seen one of his yet. For the Vikings at a 49. That's a mint 9. Dalvin Cook. 15 to 49 for the Vikings. Who's that one going to? Vikings. That one's going to Jared G. Chrome, you're Gilbert. Very cool, very cool. Nice stuff. Good one for the Cowboys, too. All right, we'll run for the jackpot here really quick. Jackpot happens on every break. All right, so for the jackpot, we're going to roll 6 times is the random. So we got all 32 NFL teams looking for the top spot to match after 2 randoms. And we're going to go, what is it? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Packers. Doesn't matter who has them. We're just looking for the Packers. When this says 12, Packers. Bucks. It did not go. All right, that was a cool little quick break. Thanks, everybody. There's more of this and going to be more of this going up in the store. Thanks.